In this video, I'll break down the top 5 action cameras and which action camera I found to be the best, and at the end of the video, you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best action camera and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the products, check out the links in the description, as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. Number 1, the Insta360 Ace Pro is a waterproof action camera co-engineered with Leica, featuring a flagship 1:1.3 sensor and a powerful 5nm AI chip that enhances low-light brightness and reduces noise for superior image quality. It includes a Leica Summerit lens for exceptional optics, supports 4K video at 120 FPS with Active HDR, and introduces pure video mode for improved dynamic range and AI-driven noise reduction in low light. The camera has a 2.4 flip touchscreen for flexible framing and control, plus easy-to-use features like pause recording, gesture control, and clarity zoom. Its magnetic mounting system allows quick accessory swaps, and built-in AI automatically generates highlight videos via the Insta360 app. The Ace Pro offers advanced FlowState stabilization to smooth out bumps, is waterproof up to 33 degrees 10 mm, and operates reliably in temperatures as low as 20 degrees, 4 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for rugged and winter sports. The standard bundle includes the camera, a 1650 mAh battery. Number 2, the GoPro Hero 13 Black is a durable, waterproof action camera featuring best-in-class 5.3K 60 video resolution and 27 megapixel photos, ideal for every creator. It supports new HB series lenses that enhance capture capabilities with immersive POV shots, closer focusing, neutral density filters for motion blur, and cinematic anamorphic footage. Equipped with a more powerful Enduro battery, it offers extended recording time in all weather conditions. The updated mounting system provides greater flexibility than previous models. Key features include award-winning HyperSmooth 6.0 video stabilization, automatic highlight video creation, and the ability to auto-upload footage to the cloud, combining advanced technology with versatile creative options. Number 3, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Standard Combo is a waterproof action camera designed for sports and vlogging, featuring a next-generation 1:1.3 sensor that excels in low-light conditions, making it ideal for urban nightscapes and nighttime adventures. It supports 4K video at 120 FPS with enhanced subject tracking powered by a 4nm chip for fast, reliable framing of fast-moving subjects in both 16.9 and 9:16 aspect ratios. The camera offers dual OLED touchscreens for vibrant, true-to-life colors and easy control, plus ultra-stable 360-degree horizon, steady stabilization for smooth footage in dynamic situations. Long-lasting battery life up to 4 hours ensures extended recording, while voice control enables hands-free operation with high accuracy within 1 meter. Professional audio capture is possible via direct connection to DJI Mic 2 or Mic Mini transmitters, suitable for activities like moto vlogging and skiing. The device includes intelligent real-time displays of diving depth and altitude. Number 4, the Olympus Tough TG7 digital camera in red is a rugged, lightweight 249G camera designed for extreme outdoor conditions. It is waterproof, shockproof, dustproof, crushproof up to 100 kg UF, and freeze-proof down to 10 degrees C, making it ideal for adventures like mountain climbing, wilderness exploration, and underwater photography. The camera features a variable macro system for detailed close-up shots and supports creative filming with panorama, 4K movie recording, and high-speed movie options. Its professional features enable vivid color capture in low light and clear detail in motion, ensuring reliable performance in challenging environments. Number 5, the GoPro Hero 9 Black is a waterproof action camera featuring a powerful 23.6 megapixel sensor that enables stunning 5K Ultra HD video and 20 megapixel pro-quality photos with Super Photo for automatic image optimization. It includes a new, larger rear touchscreen with touch zoom and a front display for easy framing and intuitive control. The camera offers advanced HyperSmooth 3.0 video stabilization with in-camera horizon leveling and boost mode for ultra-smooth footage. With a 30% longer battery life powered by a 1720 mAh battery, it supports extended shooting and cold weather use. Additional features include live 1080p streaming, webcam mode, built-in mounting, and hindsight recording. Compatible with various mods such as Max Lens Mod, Light Mod, Display Mod, and Media Mod, the Hero 9 Black enhances creative possibilities while maintaining durable, waterproof construction.